Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Pamela here. In case you see my face for the very first time, you are highly welcome. If you are a lazy makeup girl, come to the front. This video is for you because I'll be showing you guys the 5-step makeup routine using just 5 products. Yes, you heard me right. This is for lazy girls who don't want to do too much, who don't want stress but want to achieve that flawless base. Okay, let's just dive straight into that. But before then, make sure you subscribe, like and comment. To hasten up the steps, I have to do my skin prep off camera. So I'm moving on to foundation. I'm using this L'Oreal. Start applying your foundation at the lower part of your face because that's where foundation mostly go into, right? Bronzers and concealers don't go there. So take your time and please ensure you apply little product. That one goes a long way because you don't want to do too much, but you want to keep the face flawless. When applying your foundation, make sure you don't apply underneath the eyes, okay? Then the little one that is remaining will go over our forehead, right? Next, to be going in with a concealer that is 1 shade lighter than our skin tone. You don't want something that is too light or too far, okay? To enable you blend properly. When you are done placing, please allow it to dry a little bit before you move in with your beauty blender and tap in a little product from your hand and blend. Start from the edges, like the inner corner, and blend. Always blend from the edges because it will help you control the placement of your concealer, right? When I'm done blending out the concealer, I'm going to go in with my foundation brush to blend the edges, right? Okay. Before I move in to set my face, right? Also, don't forget the inner corner, okay? Because you want everything to blend seamlessly, right? So, this is it. Next up is setting my face, okay? So for setting, use a translucent powder or powder that is your shade. So I'm going to be mixing these 2 powders together. Using my beauty blender, I'm going to first of all set the under eye. Once you're done setting your under eye, you go in with now thin layer to set the entire face, right? Please dust off excess. I'm going to my forehead area. Dust off excess to the rest of the face. Gently. This is why I said you need a powder that is your shade, a translucent powder, okay? So you don't go looking way too light, right? You can equally use your powder brush as well to do this process, right? Now everything is looking all set. I'm going to go in with my powder palette using a darker shade, okay, just to bring back one to my face. So I'm going to be placing this on my cheek, just applying it basically where I would apply my bronzer, right? My forehead area. Just to bring back warmth to the face, right? Can you see how it's coming together? Can you see how my face is looking all warmed up? So I'm going to go ahead now to apply here and the bridge of my nose. For brows, you're not doing too much. Just try and use your brow trimmer to lift your brows, okay? And when that is done, just go straight using your beauty blender with little powder to set your brows. All you need to do is just use your pencil to just fill in spaces. You are not drawing brows now, just fill in spaces, and that is all. Next up is mascara to brush out your lashes. You can leave your eyes like this once you are done applying your mascara, but for me, I want to fix my false lashes, so I'm going to fix it off camera to hasten things up, right? I'm done fixing my lashes off camera, so now I'm going to line my lips. For my lips, I'm going to overline. Since I started overlining my lips, guys, I'm not turning back. I'm using a brown pencil for it. From my favorite My Cheek palette, I'm going to take a shade. Next up is glossing my lips, and lately I've been using Vaseline lip balm for my gloss. Like, it's giving me the thing I want, honestly. You can stop here if you want, but I'm going to move in with my Charm Edgeless blush palette to tie things together, right? Yeah. So I'm going to place it here, then bring it inwards, right? To blend everything seamlessly. Then the remaining one, I'll just place on the tip of my nose. The remaining blush on my brush, I'm going to take it up here, my temples, just to add warmth to the face. I'm going to go ahead now to use my Zickel Seal Spray to lock in the looks. Can you see what this spray did to my face? So this is basically how to do the full face makeup using just 5 products. I hope you find this video very helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share to your loved ones. Give this video a thumbs up so you can reach many people, okay? Yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in my next one. Bye.